I wanted some advice from you regarding chemical-free farming. Can you please help us on how to prevent insects on our crops? Super. Now, the first most important thing in this is the selection of your seed variety. Ideally, the plant's immune should be strong enough for it to fight the insect or the bacteria or the viral attack by itself. That's the most important thing. Your seed variety should not be hybrid, should not be advanced. The more indigenous, the more desi, the more better. For example, we've planted papayas, and this papaya is of the indigenous seed variety. It has seeds inside. The hybrid variety is Taiwan 786, as they call it, the red lady. But this is the desi one. It has seeds inside. Now with these crops, a viral attack is very common. A yellow ring spot viral attack, which is less with desi plants. So the number one is planting indigenous seed varieties. Number two is managing your pests in a very integrated management, in an integrated pest management way. So as you can see out here, we've planted multiple crops. There's papaya, there's khapli wheat out here in this patch. You can turn around. There's khapli wheat here. There's some mango trees here. So we've intercropped khapli with mangoes, with papaya, with some guava here. In this plot, there are close to around 26-27 different fruit, vegetable, grain, pulses, different types of varieties. So what happens is, when you have multiple crops like this, there are beneficial insects that sit on this tree, which feed on the insects of this other crop. So in this way, in a very integrated way, pest management happens naturally at the farms. This is one. There are other physical controls. You can keep traps. You can keep those yellow stick pads to catch insects. Physically, you can do a lot of things to control the pests. But naturally, this is how it is. Now, beyond this, no matter how well you prepare yourself for managing all these pests, all said and done, there will still be an insect or a pest attack or a bacterial attack, which will take away close to almost 10%. 5 to 10% of your crop, and this is but natural, so we leave it to the nature. But yeah, I think it starts with the seed variety, then is doing a lot of multi-cropping, so your pests are managed in an integrated way. Beyond this, we do a lot of spraying of Panchagavya or biological insecticides or pesticides. Panchagavya is one, Dashparni is one. This is what we spray every 10 days or every fortnight. This also helps us. Now for specific insect attacks or bacteria attacks, we have sprays of chili, of garlic, of buttermilk. This list can go on and on. So for different specific pest attacks, there are different sprayers. But in a very macro sense, is these 3-4 practices. It's using the right seed variety. It's using a lot of intercropping, multi-cropping, so as to manage your pest control. And it's using Dashparni, Panchagavya.